Alright, so as I look at this, I feel like there's probably a few things that are needing to be changed. One, Bruce isn't going to be happy with me. These columns are probably too thin, so I'm going to go ahead and change that once there. You go to the level 1, if we haven't used it yet, you can use this PaintBrush tool. Essentially, you assign the properties the first time, and then once it turns black, meaning it has paint on it, you can assign those same properties to whatever you click on. That's cool. The other thing is, it looks like this is getting too tight with my curtain wall system, so if you just make sure that you have the kind of dashed blue line selected, you'll be moving the entire thing, and you'll see that the door is moving with it. So we can start to just adjust things just incrementally. You can use the arrows to move things also incrementally. That looks about right. The other thing I might want to do is, I had one panel here that was not quite right. I think I've already fixed it. I had selected it and it was a door at some point. Well, if you want to fix that, you would just select, go through a tab, get the paint on it, and then you could go in and select whatever you want to do. But let's just imagine that we want doors here, but we also want doors there. So let's grab that, and then we can go in and easily add those into our design. Other things you might notice here is that that line, that part of the frame is showing, so it really doesn't give a good reading of a threshold here. So let's take a look at 3D view to make sure that if we delete it, something doesn't get mucked up. So we have that door and we have these two here. So if we tab in, if we tab in until we get to that sill, we'll try to delete it. If you can't delete it, it's probably because you have the pin on. If you turn the pin off, you can then delete yours too. And it looked like the door itself actually went all the way down to the ground, so it didn't affect it not being there. So let's just do that again over here, and there you go, all good. Alright, that's it.